Now that we have our environment all set up, we can start to create some receptacle layouts. I'm going to open up Electrical Project 0201. In my project browser, I'm going to scroll down till I find Power, Floor Plan, Level 1. I'm going to lay out some receptacles starting in this back room. One thing that bothers me is this floor pattern. I want to turn it off, but I don't want to turn floors off. There's a trick to that. I'm going to type VG. Now that I'm in Visibility Graphic Overrides, I want to scroll down to where it says Floors. I want to keep showing them, but I'm going to select Floors. Now I'm going to go to Patterns. I'm going to click Override on Patterns, and I'm just going to uncheck Visible. I'm going to click OK. I'm going to click Apply. Then I'm going to click OK. That's a lot better. All right. Now let's go to our Systems tab. On the Systems tab, I want to come all the way down to the Electrical panel and click on Electrical Fixture. We have a duplex receptacle standard, and we have a GFCI. I'm going to put a duplex receptacle standard here, here, and here. I'm going to hit Escape a couple times. I'm going to come down to the bathroom here. I'm going to click on Device. Now I'm going to grab a GFCI. For my elevation, I'm going to type in 1219. I'm going to put one right here. I'm going to click the drop down and I'm going to go Standard. I'm going to put one out here. Hit Escape a couple times. Now I have this room. I have a couple in the lab. I'm going to go Electrical Fixture again. I'm going to put one on this wall, and put one on this wall, and here. I'm going to put one out in the hallway for people. I'm going to put one here, here, and here. I'm going to put one here. I'm going to grab a GFCI. I'm going to go 1219. Sometimes if this gets backwards, what you want to do is hit your space bar and it will flip it. I'm going to click right there. Hit Escape. I think that's about good for now. What I like to do a lot of times is cut a section just to make sure everything looks right. So I'm going to go to Section. And I'm going to pick a point right here. And I'm going to come all the way down to here. Now, I'm looking the wrong direction. So what I can do with my section is click on this little flip arrow and flip it that way. I'm going to hit Escape a few times. Now, I'm just going to double click on my section. I'm going to zoom in here. I just want to make sure I've got a receptacle up here. Got one down here, and I've got some in my rooms here. You can go ahead and put more receptacles in if you'd like, but I think you get the trick. Essentially, we start the device command, and we place it on a vertical face. It's the default, and we just stick it to a wall. Hit Escape a couple times, and then you're good. Next is to create a panel that we can circuit these to.